Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is the first day of May 2021. We're going to talk about Cardano on today's video, give you all the expectation as to where we are going to expect the price to go so that we can win in the market. It is very beneficial to have someone to give you a heads up as to what is expected to occur so that you can make the necessary adjustments to your own situation so that you can also profit and win in the market. This is what we do. We're not going to give you any FUD or FOMO or try to get you persuaded into acting a certain way. We simply look at the price chart, that's it, and give you all our prediction as to where the price is going to go. That's it. So if you want to participate, if you want to become part of our team, our community, make sure before you head out, hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. Come back again and again if you want to learn more about how to predict prices on your own. That would be the best outcome for you to know where the market is going to go. And how do we do that? We look at the price chart based off what the trap has done. Now the trap is the individual that we've created. He is the one that is trying to put you and I in bad positions in the market so that he can win and we lose. It's just that simple. That is the competitor we are going against every time we come into the market in the cryptocurrency space. So we need to follow what he does. He drops down on us the clues, the breadcrumbs to let us know where the market is anticipated to go. And once you're able to digest that and dissect it, you're able to actually know where he's going to take the price. All right. You guys can see it's been about 3 days. We did our last price prediction in the market in Cardano. So let me switch it back over to the daily time frame. You guys can see right here, we played the strength into the market, right? And we gotten that out. Like literally the next day after us completing our video in Cardano on the 28th, the market came and took it out our TP price, right? We wasn't extremely bullish, right? Everyone would give you this imaginary number of bullishness and, you know, the market price for Cardano is going to go all the way up to $20. Well, look at here. Over the last 3 days, the market only went to $1.40. And as you can see, that's where we expected it to go right before we saw the weakness come into the market for Cardano. So congratulations, you know, you was able to call that right alongside with us. You got 10.43% out the market within 3 days. And since that time, the market in Cardano hasn't been going higher, right? So I want to congratulate you if you was able to see the same thing that we saw and you was able to profit from it. So let's take that away. And I wanted to, as always, we need to zoom out the market, right? And try to gauge what the market is really feeling. And as you can see, the market is just really trading sideways. We're not feeling bullish. We're not feeling bearish, right? This is what the market actually currently is. And we've been in that predicament since February, the ending of February. Here we are at the beginning of May, and the market is still trading within $1.50 as restriction, all the way back down to $1 as support. The longer that this market in Cardano trades within these two lines, the bigger the next movement is going to be. Now, whether that's to the upside or to the downside, we should have a better idea as to where direction is going to go the further out in time frame we go. So let's take a look at the market in Cardano real quick on the 3 day time frame. You guys can see right here that not a lot really is going on in the market in Cardano on the 3 day time frame. I do suspect that the market is just really taking a break from moving higher in price. I really don't see that much signification of market weakness coming in for Cardano, not right now. Okay, not on the 3 day time frame. So let's look at this on the 5 day. The 5 day looks real good in the sense that the market wants to continue to go higher in price, right? So we got that 10.43% profitability out the market in Cardano on our last prediction, and it still looks as if the market wants to continue to go higher in price. So the next hurdle would be all the way up here towards, you know, $1.45, $1.50. Okay. So let's take a look at this on the weekly time frame. The market in Cardano still looks pretty good here on the weekly time frame. This whole time that the market in Cardano has been trading in between our two lines, it simply looks as if the market has been buying up what has been on sell, pretty much. Because if the market truly was weak, we should be seeing the market trend lower within that trading channel, and we're not seeing that yet. So if anything, the outcome is going to remain the same. Cardano is going to continue to trade within these two lines, or the prospect will continue to go higher in price. We're not seeing any downside pressure coming to the market in Cardano just yet. Okay. 2 week time frame, Same thing here. We still got 8 days left. So obviously we cannot be too reliant on this current 2 weeks price bar. Okay, we can't be dependent on that right now. It looks great so far, but in the next 8 days and 9 hours, that could definitely be a different picture. Okay, so we're not going to really hang too much on this 2 week time frame into the market for Cardano. 3 weeks time frame looks pretty good as well. Still got 8 days left, so we're not going to look at that. Monthly time frame, take a look at what occurred for the month of April. Okay, you guys can see right there that it was a pretty good battle going on between the buyers and the sellers for the month of April, and it wasn't extreme. You guys can literally tell right here that the volume hasn't been to the point where it caused the sense that the market really wants to change its direction. You know, it's a great battle between those who felt Cardano was cheap around $1 to those who felt that Cardano was a sell at around $1.50, right? So looking at that, the market is still in tune to continue to give us the same type of price action we've been accustomed to. Now, right now, the market in Cardano is giving us some weakness. It's not extremely weak. We're looking at this on the hourly time frame, and it's not giving us that much weakness. I'm actually still in tune to continue to play the strength into the market for Cardano. Okay, let me look at this on a different time frame. And yeah, you can actually tell here that even though we're seeing some weakness into the market, it's not having a major impact on price movement to the downside. Okay, so on this particular video, we are going to continue to play the strength. You guys can see right here that the market actually found some restriction right there around $1.40. Okay, so that area right there is where the market in Cardano first saw the first bout of selling into the market. You guys can see it. Let me zoom in. I created it for you. This is the hurdle. Okay, we're not going to expect the market to really break above $1.40 until we see the market increase in volume, or at least give us a price bar that resembles strength. Okay, but let's do this real quick anyway. We're going to go ahead and play the strength again in the market in Cardano. Currently the market here is giving us some weakness, so we need to anticipate, in order for our prediction to be correct, the market cannot break below a support area, right? So let's see where we can identify that support area into the market in Cardano. Right there around $1.20 is going to be our support area in the market for Cardano. Okay, so we're going to continue to play the strength into the market. I'm going to bring it down just a tad. I'm not going to play it all the way up here to our restriction area, but I'm going to play it just a little bit lower because the market definitely understands, or the trap definitely understands, that everyone sees that same area, $1.50, as restriction. So we're just going to try to take that profit out right before everyone else thinks that the market's going to hit $1.50. Okay, so we're going to do it right around there. Get about 10% out the market. $1.46 is where we're going to anticipate the market in Cardano to go. And let me extend this line out just a little bit, and we're going to keep it right there, and that's it. We're in position. This is our expectations over the next 3 days of where we're expecting the price to go in Cardano. Now, I want you all to tell me, where do you think the price in Cardano is going to go? Are we going to continue to see high price movement? Do you think we're going to go lower? Do you even think we're even going to move in Cardano over the next 3 days? Drop the comment in the comment section. Call the market right alongside with me and tell me your prediction. And that's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.